scrap and rework can quietly erase the output you have already produced. This video explores how to protect your quality and your capacity by ensuring you get good parts the first time. A scrapped part costs you the material and the time used to make it. Then, rework consumes even more capacity. Quality losses effectively erase the output you have already paid for. Remember, first pass yield is capacity you get to keep. Quality slips usually occur from three main sources: startup rejects, which happen before the process is stable; process drift, where small, gradual shifts lead to defects; and late detection, when problems are identified only after a batch is finished. The cheapest defect is the one you never make. Real-time quality tracking allows teams to flag the specific shift or station where defects originate, enabling them to correct the issue in the moment rather than at the end of the line. See the loss early to keep your good parts. This approach is proven, not just theory. By making losses visible, one line at Hutchinson improved its OEE from 47% to 72%. The same machines, the same people, simply achieving more output. Keep the parts you already make. Identify where defects start and stop paying for them twice. You can book a demo at the link provided or subscribe to receive weekly factory performance breakdowns.